Andy Warhol was an influential artist, film director and producer born in 1928. You probably know the name. You certainly would be aware of his pop art like the 1968 Campbell's Soup or the Marilyn Monroe artworks. They're truly iconic, aren't they? His originals sell for millions. 8 Elvises, for example, in 1963 sold for $100 million in 2008. The 4 Marilyns, 1964 piece, sold for $69.6 million in 2014. Andy also used the Amiga computer to create art. Andy got his Amiga in 1985 and he became instantly a brand ambassador for Amiga. In front of a live audience at the Lincoln Center, Andy used the software ProPaint. Try to find that piece of software today. I'll be very surprised, because I don't believe it was ever released, to create a portrait of the rock legend Debbie Harry from Blondie.
You found it to be very spontaneous, haven't you?
Yeah, it's great. It's such a great thing.
What more can you say?
He was famously asked at the event, what other computers did he work on before the Amiga? And he replied,
what computers have you worked on before?
Oh, I've worked on anything. I waited for this one.
Really?
At the time, the Amiga was groundbreaking in its technology, and Andy showed this by pioneering the digital artwork industry. Andy's artwork made on the Amiga was lost. If you want to find out how that artwork was found on 2 floppy disks in 2014, there's a link in the video description about how those disks were found and how they were able to retrieve those images from those disks. May this year, 2021, Christie's, the famous auction house, sold NFTs of Andy's Amiga artwork. NFTs mean it's been minted. These artworks would be sold as one of a kind. No others would be minted or made available for sale. The artwork that was sold at this auction in May 2021 was Andy's Amiga drawn Campbell's Soup, the Warhol flower, and the banana on a blue background. How much did these Amiga artworks sell for? In May 2021, they sold for $3,377,500. The self-portrait of Andy alone sold for $870,000. Andy Warhol was the pioneer of pop artwork, but he was also the pioneer of digital artwork thanks to the groundbreaking technology found in Amiga.